Instagram is the next best thing right now, and today we are talking about how all of you can create a super dope feed. What's up, guys? Anubhav here, and today we're talking about Instagram and how you can create a super slick and minimal feed. With that being said, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and let's do this. Okay, so the first thing we would like to consider while maintaining your Instagram feed is to find out what you like and dislike and essentially come up with an editing style. You could either go super saturated, all teal and orange, or go for that desaturated, moody look, those faded pictures that make you think the world is gonna end. As far as my feed is concerned, I really like posting my pictures in a 16:9 ratio and have more of a minimal and clean look. Also, I don't follow a specific color theme but more of a 3-post palette with 3 pictures having the same editing style to promote versatility and allow me to grow and play around with different styles of clicking pictures. Secondly, you might want to come up with some kind of work regime and a proper workflow. Now, there are tons of apps that you can use to edit pictures directly on your phone, and among those, 2 of my favorites are Visco X and Snapseed. Now, if filters are your main concern along with minor adjustments to your image, Visco is probably the best photo editing application for your phone. With Visco X, however, you take things a step further. It's a paid subscription that adds new types of professional filters every single month, curated by various photographers and the developers themselves. And I have to say, these pictures are noteworthy because they can not only be used for your own personal pictures but for commercial stuff as well. The color palettes are insane, the tones are amazing, and if you're paying for it, this is what you should be getting. So if you want to consider this, please go ahead and do it. The next one is Snapseed, and a lot of you already know about this and use it. And with Snapseed, essentially you can fine tune probably everything with a photo. It lets you make a lot of changes, turn your image into something completely different than what you started with. It's super dope, and if I sit explaining every single feature, it would take ages, so I'd say go and check it out for yourself. Last but not the least, you want to find out what works for you and try a layout for your future posts side by side, as I have done in Visco here, to see how your posts would look all together before you actually upload them. There are a lot of times when we see a picture that we click and we really like it and think it will look really good, but when you put it up with the existing posts on your Instagram, the entire look of the feed does not really look that great. So it's better to try how it will look, try the layout out beforehand. Visco has a great layout place which looks almost like Instagram. You can just throw all the probable posts that you want to upload and see how it's gonna look when it's gonna come all together. A very helpful tip, definitely try this out. And well guys, that is pretty much it for this video, and if any one of you liked it and learned something new, well, the legacy of minimalism lives on. Take care guys, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys soon with another video. This is Anubhav signing out. Peace out guys, have a great one.